exactly where they want them at the moment. It's David Villa.
They're on the touchline. Will adorn the club's museum and the press room here, where they've got all the pictures of the great games over the years. Oh, and another terrible tackle from Carvalho, and it's going to earn very... Xavi straight across the six, clever free kick. There's a missed swipe from Alves. Now Messi flicks it in! Oh, wonderful attempt! Pure genius. He's in the mood.
It took him 2 or 3 minutes.
It's off for Messi, continues, leaves the defender on the seat of his pants, forward through the legs, as well as Boomsong, who led with the arm.
Lionel. Messi! Incredible rebound, still alive! Hermana! For Argentina, it's the Atlanta United mate, Thiago Almada coming through after a beautiful execution from Lionel Messi, once again hitting the crossbar. Messi! The ball strike on the pole is incredible. What a shot from number 10. The ball didn't have too much power, but the accuracy was just on point. Argentina, ladies and gentlemen, it's the one, the only.
Good country to go. Looking to enjoy and marvel at, in truth. His bad time last year, suggestion might be coming to England. Be welcomed with open arms.
Can he win it for Paris Saint-Germain? He can! What an extraordinary match! It ends one way, it flows the other, and then it has its conclusion, scored in stoppage time by the greatest player that's ever lived. Lionel Messi with a thrilling finish to a twice.
Messi. He drop on his shoulders, half a yard of space, back he goes in the Medina. Argentina lead. He might have scored it, but I'll tell you what, Lionel Messi made it. And now Medina gets his first goal for his country. In the 35th minute, the deadlock is broken. A moment of Messi magic once more.
From Lionel! Again! He awakens his sleeping sword of war and draws this game back!
finishing it off magnificently, of course, but the magnificence of the finish does not match the magnificence of the pass. Outrageous use of the ball.
Just sometimes you just have to sit back and applaud brilliance, and it's very, very...
Deflection helped it through to Messi. He goes around the keeper, and he proves he's got so much more to give. PSG go in front after not squandered two big chances at the other end.
Well, Paul, there's just slight good fortune in the way that the ball breaks to Lionel Messi, but the way he finishes is it just like turning
To Nuno Mendes. Here's Mbappe this time. No.
Oh, it's brilliant. What a brilliant back heel from Messi. Again, the combination. Mbappe, Messi, back heel. Mbappe just trying to...
Messi hits one. Oh, what a goal! That is sensational. Absolutely outstanding. What a way to make it 600 goals for Barcelona by the little magic man Lionel Messi. Barcelona 3, Liverpool 0.
Messi. Rakitic, Messi.
Delicately scrapes it under the crossbar. He's got a hat-trick. Again, staggering genius of Lionel Messi is stupefying. And the round of applause around this stadium as Messi bewitches, bothers and bewilders us all. You can follow him on Facebook. Messi onto it, Neymar to Leo Messi. Is there going to be a seventh? Yes, there is! And it's Carlos Soler that's got it. His first goal for the club.
And they're facing Messi here. Messi held up by Guardiola. Messi away from Guardiola. And Argentina all but in the final. Julian Alvarez with the finish. Messi again with the marvellous mischief.
This is miraculous. I mean, he's boxed in tight on the touchline. How on earth does he slip by?
Ahead of the return against Arsenal. Messi didn't seem to do anything there, but left and door puzzled in the extreme.
Yeah, Lionel Messi, could this be the hat-trick before half-time? Oh, brilliant! An audacious chip from the magical Lionel Messi, the most talented footballer of it.
That's Fabregas. And it's Messi. And it's Messi. Barcelona get the goal inside that big 2 minutes. It's a massive goal because on the away goal.
Lionel Messi. Messi's hit! Oh! That's what they came for! The Magic Man! One more Messi moment! And Argentina are alive!
Now Messi.
Messi, McAllister, Messi! He's only gone and done it again. 1,000 games and still he excels. There'll never be another like him. Enjoy him while he's here. For sure they do.
Incredible. Incredible. He's done most of his work, 30.
Lionel Messi. And Messi steps up to the plate just when Barcelona needed him most. For 2 minutes they were behind. Barcelona back in the game, back in the contest.
Well, they get a better look at this.
Messi! That's what they can do to you in the blink of an eye. All of the front three involved, and Lionel Messi finished it off. His 120.
Messi in with a challenge on Young, and he comes away with it, and he gets away from Fred and shoots! Oh!